Hey guys, I figured I'd come on here really quick and try to do a video with you guys. And this is going to be a clean with me video. I'm currently snacking on popcorn and got my mango green tea water I'm sipping on, and so I've went through books, I went through crystals, I've went through lotions, and I organized my nightstand and the drawers in there. So now I'm gonna go through my clothes, and this is gonna be really sentimental to me because I'm someone that doesn't like to get rid of clothes that someone gave me, especially my mom. But I know this is the time where I need to really be honest with myself and really go through the clothes that are no longer fitting or no longer my style. And so I'm gonna either one, be selling them or getting rid of them at the Good Samaritan. I'd like to sell them though to bring some more income in. So I'm gonna show you probably a fourth of what I have. And I know that seems like, once you start seeing what I go through, it's gonna seem like, wow, you know. And I've cleaned, since I've been living with my husband, I have probably cleaned and decluttered about 7 times, I would say. And this is everything. This is crystals, it is clothes, mementos, you know, everything that I can think of. So this is my chair I got here with all the clothes, and I really love this jacket. It's something I really don't want to get rid of, but it doesn't fit me. It don't zip up all the way, and I'll kind of show you what I mean really quick. Like, it just feels a little snug, and I really can't do much with it. So that's gonna be going. Let's see if I can show you guys. It is, I think, let me see what brand it is really quick for you guys. It's really beautiful. It's purple, got a hood on it. It's very feminine. It is Columbia. So this is brand new. I've only wore this twice, and so I'll probably be selling it for 20 bucks maybe, if I can get 20 bucks out of it, 15 maybe. And so that will be on, I'll put that on the garage sale website on Facebook. This, it ripped, getting rid of it. It's going in the trash. This is another sweatshirt I got from Old Navy, and Big Island Aloha. It's got a stain on it, so I will probably get rid of that because I'm not going to give it to someone that, you know, there's a stain on it. So that's going to be thrown away. And then I got my Peak community shirt. That is going to go into the Good Samaritan because there goes the hanger. That is something I like to wear, but it's snug on me. This I got from Walmart a couple months ago, and it's short and it's really pretty. So I'm going to try to sell this for like $3, maybe $5 on the website. This is still good. This is my QVC one. This one I'm not really using right now, and I don't know if I will. So that will go in the garage sale. Same with this one. This is just a sweater. This one is another one I bought from Walmart. It's inside out, guys. I'm sorry about that. Like I said, I need to go through this. I have been in such a hurry with everything, and I figured since I got my readings done and I don't have to do on call this weekend. I figured I'd get some things done. Pretty top, very feminine. Came with a necklace though. I'm keeping the necklace. So another $3 or $5 shirt I will be placing on the website. This one I got with my grandpa. It's a local one and it's getting snug on me, so that one is gonna be sold. Let's see. Workout shirt, still good. I use it. And this is a overcoat. So that I'm keeping as well. So that is kind of like what I'm doing right now, is just going through clothes, and I have clothes in the laundry room that I need to put away and go through. I'm washing everything that I'm keeping, if it's dirty, of course. And then I'm going to be posting pictures of what I'm selling, and then getting another trash bag for the items that I'm taking to the Good Samaritan that is local. So that's what I'm doing today, is just kind of going through things, and I wanted to show you how I'm going through it. I was watching the Netflix series, the Kandamari, I think it's called. I can't pronounce her name right, but it really motivated me to get that done, you know, to start that process. And it was just like, this is probably why I have anxiety and depression, because as you can see, like, look at that. That's all clutter back there. Whole house is like that. It's awful. And me and my husband are doing our best, working full-time jobs and trying to keep things as light as possible on the weekends, but we're still wanting to clean and get things done. So that's what I'm going through while he's taking a nap, since he works midnights. I'm going to be going through things. I posted the books online, the crystals, like I said. Next I'm going to be posting clothes, and then I'm going to be taking trash out, and then taking the clothes I want to drop off the Good Samaritan this week and put it in the vehicle. And then I'm going to have a designated place for all the things that I'm selling online. If it does not sell within 3 months, I'm going to be taking to the Good Samaritan. And because I don't want to keep it any longer, you know, because with spring coming up, I really don't want the extra clutter. If I'm really feeling anxious, then I might just wait a month, and if it's not sold by then I can give it away, because I really don't want to be hanging on to things that won't make any profit for me and is just taking up space. And so this room is my extra room, and this is the room that I'm focusing on right now, aside from the bedroom. And then the garage is going to be the biggest one to tackle, because the garage is as big as our house, because it's underneath the house. So that is going to be a massive amount of things to go through. But that's what I'm doing, and I hope that you guys know that if you've ordered recently, your orders are already out, and I thank you for your purchases. I am not behind, I'm ahead, so I'm happy about that. And I think that's a good accomplishment, working full-time and not being behind whatsoever. So I'm very happy about that, especially when I work 48 hours a week. So I'm very happy to still be making that extra income and still have some time to, you know, clean and do whatever I need to do. So I hope that you guys like this content. Like I said, I will be hopefully coming back on. I might show you the books that I have for sale. They're mainly spiritual, and it's a very wide variety of spirituality. It goes from Christianity to witchcraft to metaphysical, like Edgar Cayce and Teresa Valfoy, and I have a witchcraft book, and I have a psychology book, workbook. So I have a lot of different books that I'm selling. And crystals, I have tumblestone, I have polished tumblestone, that is, raw stones, I have spirit quartz, labradorite, palm stones, I have incense I'm selling, herbs I'm selling, oils I'm selling that I created, some herbal mixes that I made that you could burn on charcoal disc or sprinkle your candles with. I have Reiki, money flood tea lights. I'm selling, I'm trying to think of what else I have. I just have a very wide variety. I'm trying to increase my income so that I can reinvest back into my business and get things that would benefit my clients, especially new cards and new software maybe to help with that for my YouTube channel as well. And then the other will be going, of course, to things that we need to pay for our financial stability. So I hope that you guys have a great day or night whenever you watch this, and please leave comments below if you guys have any suggestions of content that you are waiting for. Let me know as well, and thank you again for your love and support and hanging in with me and dealing with my chaotic, inconsistent, kind of thrown together channel, because it's really not focused. It's a multitude of different videos, so I hope that you guys are enjoying that part of it. Many blessings.